morning, neighbors. Morning. It's such a beautiful morning today. It's actually windy. Unusual. It's normally more still. But what I am going to do for sure, I'm going to go for a pineapple. Not sure which one is more already. Got I think a sugar loaf one and a regular one. I don't know what the regular one them called. Pineapple. So yeah, I want to peel on that this morning before work kick in. And so we'll have some fruits. But it's you can actually hear the breeze going through the trees, which is unusual, but it's very pleasant out here. Going for the stuff now. What's that?
Pineapple.
Pineapple?
Yes.
You like pineapple?
Yes.
You know how to peel pineapple?
Yes.
Alright. Let me handle the knife. Let me handle the knife. Thank you. Alright, so we're going to have pineapple for breakfast, okay? Well, for pre-breakfast. Stop.
I see a pineapple.
Uncle Tiger and Bruno. Brutus. Oh yeah, it's the dog named Brutus and not Bruno. I don't know this Brutus thing sounds like a real old man name. I call him Bruno. And he's me to go for him from JSPCA. So I think I have dibs on what's his name. They're probably on the other side of the house. Leave them. They're coming. Them coming? They're not coming. I'm going to get them. This is Tiger. Say hi, Tiger. Alright, so Tiger is clearly the alpha dog. And the other dog that you see here that is moaning, even though he's just as big as Tiger, probably bigger. Come, Bruno. No, yes, I know say afraid of him, but come. Come. So Bruno is wagging his tail because he recognizes me. We got him from, as one who picked me up from JSPCA. So him really checked for me. When him see me, him really just happy and jumping all over me. But I'm afraid of Tiger. So I'm gonna hide. Naughty Tiger, naughty. So this is the end result. I'll put some together for us and some for mommy. So she can get some. Because she did give me the pie, remember from the day. And she got the whole potting them from auntie and work. So put some for us and some for her here. And of course, Leland already start having some of theirs for breakfast. So yeah, went pretty well. I'm not so bad. I could do this as a fifth income or something.
Hi guys, so today Uncle Paul is going to be bringing back my rental books that I used in third form that I won't be using anymore. It's about 11 of them, and in fourth form I'll only be doing 8. I'll be doing 4 mandatory subjects, which are math, English literature, and IT, and 4 subjects that I could have chosen out of a list that they gave us. I chose subjects that relate to what I'm going to be doing as a career, which is being a digital artist. So the subjects that I chose were visual art, clothing, history, and principles of accounts. Principles of accounts, I chose that because, well, it's kind of the odd one out. Everything else that I'm doing ties into the art field, but this one, not so much. It's good to know about financial stuff so that in the future when I'm adult and I have to manage things financially. I'm not confused about anything. It is helpful. Just for me personally, it will be helpful. This summer, I'm really planning to do a lot of drawing and editing. Oh, and I wasn't the one who made the intro. A lot of people are thinking that I made the intro. My mother made the intro, so I feel like I'm not as good as I want to be, and I feel like I'm really short on time because I only have 2 more years until I graduate almost. I have 4th form, and then I have 5th form, and then I graduate, and then I decide if I want to do 6th form or not, or just go straight to college. I feel like there's a lot that I need to do, so I'm trying to focus a lot on that and get better. I know I can't get better just like that it takes time and that I need to really work on it, but so yeah, that's mainly what I'm going to focus on this summer. I was thinking that it's probably not going to be as smooth as I want it to be with Layla and Zara, because I'm going to have to watch them and stuff. I can sit down with them and we can all draw, and they can have their paper and crayon or pencil and pen there while I'm drawing, so it can work out.
Hi neighbors, what's up? So, pineapple don't peel. Work, well, not done for the day, but most of the work done. Going to head out now quickly to town to do 2 things. 1, drop off all of Hannah rental book them. All of them 11 or 12 book here. And go to the baby's doctor. The baby's doctor. The baby's doctor. The baby doctor them. The baby's doctor to pick up some. She has some formula for us, and there's some healthcare thing I need to sort out with her today. So I get to get those 2 things done. I don't go in town regular, so I'm just going to try to get those 2 things knocked off quick. And guess who is coming? You are. So ready? We can move. Afternoon, boss. What's going on, sir? Respect here. Here we go. Oh, look at them doing sexy. Yeah, they're definitely doing sexy. These were the days, guys, when I used to run them party, you know, women's girls in my place. I was like a magnet. I was like a magnet, man. You must say magnet can attract or repel, yeah? Magnets can attract or repel, so bear that in mind. Not sure where we're going, so let's see what this security tells me. So that was quick and easy. I got her vouchers as well. Make sure they got to slip that in from it's now July, so we can get the house in order. Alright, so you see, back in my time at school, so when it come to food, man, those were the days. I know everybody have them stories about how much a patty used to be and how much patty $100 could have or whatever pence. My time was, I could have get 2 cheese patty and a drink, probably 2 bag juice for $100. Cheese patty is like premium patty, you know, so that is like $100. No, 1 patty, 1 beef patty is $200. Don't. So you go. But anyway, that was the nice part. The nice part was breakfast time. So you weren't allowed to stop anywhere and in a car key and say buying a breakfast or anything, you know. But what them used to do, the smart you them used to go to Almontown and get what them call gangster loaf. Gangster loaf is basically it's like a fried dumpling, or it have a fried dumpling exterior with like they normally have callaloo and corned beef in one, or you can get like ackee and saltfish and callaloo in one. So it's either you take a corned beef gangster loaf or or ackee and saltfish gangster loaf, right? And that used to nice, but they never sell it at school, so they used to get it from Almantown and bring it to school. Of course, you know you're not allowed to sell as a student, so that is like an undercover thing. Slip of money, I get your gangster loaf and you just beat it. You get in this white bag, and you take your time and you eat your gangster loaf in the morning till them stamp down on it, you know, so them start get harder, the punishment start get more severe on the entrepreneurs who at school, who are my classmates and schoolmates who are doing it. So them stamp it out and everybody get free to do it. Until two tools. When the canteen start selling it, is that the canteen get the contract from Almantown. No capitalism that, no capitalism that. Where you take it from little man who are hustling and you take it for yourself. That's how capitalism work. And then the corporation make a bag of money from it. That is my recollection, that you could have, at one point, I think it was for a short period of time though, you could have go to the canteen in the morning and get a gangster loaf. By that time it was no longer gangster loaf, there's nothing gangster about it. It was just a ackee loaf or corned beef loaf or whatever you call it. Food at school was alright, but it was always stress. So you're just waiting the class before lunchtime, you're waiting to hear the teacher say okay, and you just hear like it's an earthquake. Serious thing. Everybody just pushing their desk forward and pushing them chair back. I just hear all that sound. Imagine 40 of that sound one time. People are running downstairs, falling down the stairs just to get a spot in the line. And when you reach some time, and next class you let up before you and you're like, crap. Right? Serious thing, man. Fight is the bus just for the line at school for get food. And that was just my experience for the entire time. Until you reach 6th form, when you have a little more leeway, you can go X time, this free session, that free session or so. But food was always a big deal. My next vivid memory of high school is sports, or lack thereof. Because as you know, I used to be quite the athlete at prep school. I was on the cricket team. Wasn't so good. I was on the track team. I did run a race, literally one race for my school track team, and I did wear the jersey for the football team, even though they call me bencher. But I did play the last match and scored a goal. My goal, man, that is quite an impressive resume for a student athlete, you know. So yeah, man, I go prep school and I go high school and say, oh, football team that can't miss me, cause what? I come off the bench and score goals. That is who I am. That's what I do. So I go now and try, and after the first try, I say, yo, you know what? I'm not really minding this still. Cause first of all, those guys were like, I don't know what they were eating, which water they were being supplied by. It wasn't NWC like me, because they were huge. I remember what this one guy, the man have abs and chest. I was like, yo, how him get chest at my age? I said, yo, how the brother have a chest? Them time they start to push up like crazy and nothing now come. So after the first couple of train sessions, the coach never seen me back again. And that was it for Pepsi. Pepsi is like the under 14 version. Don't touch the wall, don't touch the wall. The under 14 version, right? So Pepsi is the under 14 version of the football thing. So first one, second one, I just say, you know what, none of that. In third form now, I was able to play Coles, which is under 16, I believe. But by that time, I was playing club football. That's right, club football. I remember my best friend, Limba, did have a book what they call Road to Barcelona. Because we're determined that we're going to be international football stars. I was Ronaldinho, he was Messi. Man, naivety. Wow. Anyway, so we decided to want to go, do this for a living. So he went to train at a club after school. I went to train at a club after school. I was playing at Nagazed Football Club. And of course, my reputation is just me. Bencher, through and through. I was benching the whole matches. All matches, bench. Because them were just good. They had most of the players from Bridgeport High School, which was a very good football team. Anyway, so I go so now and I say, alright, I'm playing club football now, I have more experience. I'm going to try out for my school Coles team. And I did go, it was a summer training. I remember I got a couple of times and I was like, yo, Paul, say, you have to look yourself in the mirror and be honest with yourself. And I know you're thinking this, brother. Don't waste your time, don't waste your mother time. Just move on. Pivot. That's the slang, that's the nowadays term. Yeah, man, I pivoted from then. And look at me now. Hey, so that was an interesting day. It's now very late in the night. I'm up working, trying to get ahead of some work that I have for tomorrow. I was supposed to fix up the studio, which I'll show you in a minute, for our festival songs that we're going to be doing. But I never really pan out this day because I had too much work to do. So let me show you what the project is for tomorrow though. Yes, right now I have a whole heap of a lot of cards. So XLR cards, quarter-inch cards, TV that needs to fix, a couple pieces of a drum set over here, mic stand here, a guitar here. Not very good at the guitar. Well, I think I know like 3 chords on the guitar. It's actually Tina's guitar. I bought for her, I think on the first birthday we spent together. I bought her a book as well to learn the guitar. Can you guess who still can play the guitar? Not saying anything. So yeah, anyway, good night. See you on the other side of this video. See you tomorrow.